welcome back. It's Roman from Kid Pro Fitness. Today, instead of showing you some exercises, I want to discuss something more important. Right now is winter season and is close to Christmas. Although Christmas is very exciting, unfortunately it is also a quite depressing time for some people. The current COVID situation isn't helping either. Having said that, I understand that during this time of the year, many feel their mood is not so great. I will give you some advice on how to improve your mood and overall mental health. Let's get started. Make sure you watch till the end because I think my last tip is the most important. Exercise. We are built to move. Exercise should be part of your daily routine, even if it's just for a few minutes. If you do your exercises efficiently, you can quickly get your heart rate up to boost your good hormones that help improve your mood. Check out the videos throughout my channel for quick and detailed workout walkthroughs that you can do anytime, anywhere. Supplementation. A big part of us feeling lazier and our mood going down is because we don't have as much exposure to sun. During summer months, we tend to be outside more in the sun, and in the sunlight causes our bodies to create more vitamin D. Vitamin D is responsible to help us get feeling better and more alert. During winter months, we can get supplements in vitamin D to help with the lack of sun exposure. Get out and hang out with your friends. 2-in-1 deal at this point. In addition to exercising, try to go out and breathe in some fresh air. Exposing yourself to outside resets your body and clears your mind of everyday tasks in your schedule. Also spend time with your friends and family. Have fun and forget your chore list for a short while. This point on its own is more helpful for your well-being than you may think. What to avoid? Pretty self-explanatory at this point, I think. 1. Avoid all-day gaming and TV watching. Games and movies and TV shows are great these days, but remember that they can all wait and will be there when you return from your exercise session, walk, and family or friend time. 2. Avoid junk food as much as possible. These tasty treats cause imbalances in your body, which contribute negatively on you long-term, one way or another. Best for last. Diet. Diet is the most important component. Just like with exercising, if you eat well, your body will naturally have more energy, and therefore you'll feel better. I recommend fruits and veggies as much as possible to be part of your daily diet. For further details on this, check out my instructional videos about nutrition and diet. I'll post the links in the description below. In conclusion, make sure to take care of your body, and your body will thank you for it. If there are any other tips that you think are helping you, please feel free to share in the comments down below. Thank you guys for stopping by, and as always, I appreciate a like, share, and a subscribe. See you next week. Bye.